All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive, Lesson 49, Capital J. When looking at a capital J in cursive, we can see that it begins with the same strokes as an I. It is another backwards letter, a laid back letter. Instead of going out into the rocking chair or chin and smile, it goes down with a J, lowercase j, loop. When writing a capital J, we begin it at the same spot as we do for a capital I, and we make the same large backwards loop. I like to begin it slightly below the line. It's also good to begin it on the line. Make that backwards leaning loop and the J loop. I always think a capital J looks like it's a bow that you could untie. A capital J does connect. That second part goes on into the next letter, just like a lowercase j. So we begin it on the right instead of on the left. Lean it way back, come down in a loop, and cross it at the midline. Cross it at the baseline. As you prepare to complete your capital J practice page, you know those 4 things we need to do. Have a clear desk area, have a good slant on our paper, sit up straight, and write your name neatly at the top of the page. The model of a capital J shows us that we can begin at the baseline, make the loop at the top, a bigger loop, down to the loop at the bottom, a smaller loop. They both cross over, kind of making it look like a bow that could be untied. So we begin here on the right. We make a loop, a straight back down. That slant is 3 spaces, and up. This is one of our 3 space letters. It's almost a backwards lowercase f. We have 2 other 3 space capitals, Y and Z. We need to keep the slant line nice and straight. We begin with that backwards loop, a straight slant line, and this second loop that's smaller. After we've trained our hand of the proper strokes on the training wheel letter, we can make our own. It is okay to begin slightly below the baseline and up. Or you could begin right on the baseline and up. A capital J does connect. It just uses its connector. The overcurve has to turn into an undercurve to connect to an E. When we connect to the O, it just is an overcurve. We have Jenna, Jordan, Joey, Jeremy, Jedrick, and Jessica. If your name starts with J, feel free to cross out one of them and put your own in instead. Good luck with your J's. See you next time.